Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. Today we're going to be making a pasta rocket. But before getting started, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I make new videos every Saturday. So the first thing you're going to need is a jar, but more specifically a jar that has a top that isn't connected to the tightener. I don't know what you want to call it. Basically one that isn't connected like this, because I know that there are some jars like that. Another thing you're gonna need is a 1/4 teaspoon measuring thing. You're gonna need active dry yeast. I know this comes in both the little packets and jars, like actual big jars, but all you really need is a 1/4 teaspoon, so don't really think you need a whole jar. You're also gonna need hydrogen peroxide, and last but not least, pasta. Ziti or ziti, whatever you want to call it. I got it because of the way it's shaped. It's pretty straight and cylindrical, so it's not too hard to put on the jar whenever you need to. All right, so you're gonna need to poke a hole in the top of the jar. To do this, I just got a nail and then just put it through the top of the jar. The size of the hole doesn't really matter as long as it's smaller than the hole of the pasta. Next, you're gonna wanna fill up the jar about 80% of the way with hydrogen peroxide. Next, you're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast to the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, then you're gonna pour it in and then stir. And you're gonna have to be quick in putting the top on. Then you're just gonna put your noodle and light it up. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. Did you hear how crazy it sounded? It sounded like it was about to blow up. But anyways, hope you liked the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I make new videos every Saturday. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. All right, guys, peace.